Welcome back to See My Review. Today, I've got something super special for you, the legendary Jordan 1 Retro High Off-White Chicago. This pair is one of the most hyped sneakers ever, and I'm about to unbox it right in front of you. Not only that, but I'm also going to tell you about a website where you can actually get your hands on these at a killer price. Stick around because you don't want to miss this. Let's get into this unboxing. The moment we've all been waiting for. Opens box. Look at this beauty, the iconic red, white, and black color scheme inspired by the original Chicago Jordan 1s. The first thing you'll notice is that signature deconstructed look, a signature of Virgil Abloh's off-white collaborations. The oversized, off-centered swoosh, exposed foam tongue, and the famous air branding on the midsole make this pair instantly recognizable. And let's not forget the zip tie. Just wow, let's talk about why these kicks are such a big deal. First off, they're a piece of sneaker history, part of Virgil Abloh's iconic The 10 collection. The craftsmanship is insane, featuring premium leather, suede, and mesh, making it both durable and stylish. The ankle support is top-notch, making it great for both casual wear and flexing in style. Plus, these sneakers aren't just shoes, they're an investment. Their value has skyrocketed since their 2017 release, making them a must-have for collectors. I know you're wondering, how can you grab a pair? Well, you're in luck. I've found a website that's currently running an exclusive sale on these sneakers. That means you can cop them without breaking the bank. I've dropped the link in the description below, along with their social media handles and contact details. Just hit that link, check out their stock, and secure your pair before they're gone. Trust me, these don't stay available for long, and that's a wrap on today's